Earning commissions from Amazon is possible through their affiliate program called Amazon Associates. Here's how it works. Sign up. To get started, visit the Amazon Associates website and sign up for a free account. You will need to provide some basic information about your website, blog, or social media platform where you plan to promote Amazon products. Choose products. Once your account is approved, you can browse Amazon's best products catalog. Choose the products that are relevant to your niche or audience. Get affiliate links. For each product you want to promote, you will generate a unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You can get these affiliate links from Amazon Associates dashboard. Create content. Incorporate these affiliate links into your content. You can write product reviews, create how-to guides, or simply feature Amazon products in your blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Drive traffic. Promote your content to drive traffic to your website or platform. Utilize SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, or other strategies to attract visitors who might click on your affiliate links. Earn commissions. When a user clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase on Amazon, you will earn a commission. Amazon pays varying commission rates depending on the product category, ranging from a few percent to more significant percentages. Track performance. Amazon Associates provide tools to track the performance of your affiliate links. You can see how many clicks your links receive, conversion rates, and earnings. Get paid. Amazon typically pays out commissions on a monthly basis, either through direct deposit or Amazon gift cards, depending on your preference and location.